Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to our senior design presentation of our automated water reading project. For our senior design, we worked with UNL University Operations. They work behind the scenes on the UNL campus to keep the university running smoothly. UNL University Operations helps UNL strive towards its sustainability goals and initiatives by reducing energy consumption and promoting renewable energy around campus. So our sponsors for the project are Nate and JJ. Nate was a project manager and JJ is the subject matter expert. They've helped us throughout the year, just kind of showing us the guidelines and showing us their expectations for what the project should be and their desires for it. These are our academic stakeholders, Tony Arson, project manager, Jeff Falkenberg, tri-lead, and Joel Mert Schaefer, who was our coach. These guys help more on the academic side of things. They also helped with our project as a whole. They were at our meetings and helping us debug and just any issues we had, they were always there to help. For the team, we had Kaylee Rowland, who was squad lead and development manager, Connor Mahoney, product manager, me, Tate Kojal, I was a developer, and then Braden Weekly, Trishan Scott, and Aiden Hester were also developers for the team.
Yeah, so to help reach its STARS gold rating, University Operations tracks utilities, including electricity, gas, and steam, to evaluate its usage and focus its efforts. The exception to this at the time of when our project started was water utility readings. So the goal of our project was to design a system to collect water meter readings and upload it to a central database. Our solution consisted of a program running on a single board computer distributed across campus, tasked with collecting water meter readings emitted by systems installed on the meters and uploading it to a centralized database. You can see an example of the receiver at our booth. Over the last year, we got a bit of a head start, we worked a bit faster than expected initially, so we used our additional time to build a basic React.js web system to manage that data, look at it, and get an idea of how things are being used. You can also see a demo of that at our booth downstairs.
Value and learning. So we did a lot of learning over this past year. A huge takeaway we gained was the management of our scope. As Kaylee mentioned, the initial scope of the project was to just receive data and put it in a central server, but we quickly realized that we would be able to accomplish more with the time given. So with that, we talked to our sponsor and the rest of the team and decided that we would be able to complete a simple web page that would display data and allow users of the university operations team to be able to access it easily, look at things, change, modify some things. So we worked with them throughout the year, and we were adjusting our scope kind of throughout, just based on any roadblocks or risks we hit and to what we could achieve with the website. We also learned how to work with open source libraries. The project functions using open source RTL AMR, so we had to understand how that worked and modify it to fit the needs of our project. So that was a very useful skill that we learned because in this industry, when you're working on projects, a lot of it is just modifying previous code. It's not all creating new code. So that was a great value that we learned. And then as a final thank you, I want to thank the whole development team. We've all worked hard throughout this past 32 weeks-ish. We've made a lot of progress on our project, and we're very proud of how it turned out. Thank you as well to our academic advisors, Tony, Jeff, and Joel, if you're watching on Zoom. You guys have been a great help throughout the year, and it's been awesome working with you guys. And then finally, a huge thank you to our sponsor, JJ, you're in the room. Couldn't have done this project without you.